I've been one of the luckiest person when it comes to the variety of cinema. We talk about So, we talk about 36, we talk about Paroma, we talk about Mandi, we talk about many films of that kind. And that period has to shy away by doing mainstream cinema, because mainstream cinema was very bad in that period. Technically was very bad. So I had to avoid, though a lot of money was there. Yeah. For instance, there was film in that period, again वो 3D वाला चक्कर था. 3D was in vogue. So we got a producer called Romu Sippy. Romu Sippy wanted to make film in 3D. So Romu Sippy, myself and Gulzar Saab, we three went to, भैया देखें कहाँ क्या हो रहा है. Went to England, went to America, ये करते कराते. We came back, and on that period when I saw the films, I said, Gulzar Saab, there is something wrong. It's not working, it won't work. So anyway, I was committed to Romu, then I did a film, flopped. Then in that period, I got a lot of offers to direct the film and do in 3D for us, ये वो करते. So I said, no. It's a wrong platform to be on. So I tried not to get into it. And I went and shot the Trikal. So if I have gone because of money, I would have lost opportunity. So many times we have to forgo the money also. Money is important. But sometimes we get opportunity and we lose opportunity because of money. That we should not. We should be very much aware of what's happening, what we're doing. You know, कभी काम खराब करना पड़ता है, wrong फिल्में भी करनी पड़ती हैं. The reason because of survival. But compromise करो, थोड़ा कम करो. Commercial काम करना चाहिए, but ऐसा गंदा commercial काम नहीं करना चाहिए. You know. So basic, if everything should, we get a lot of support from different departments is very important. You know, एक डिपार्टमेंट यार एक्टिंग अच्छी है, दूसरा काम अच्छा नहीं है. अच्छा वो डायरेक्शन अच्छा है, दूसरा काम अच्छा नहीं है. No, that's wrong. Everything should be fall properly in one bowl. Then become bouquet. Otherwise become a flower, chalo iske flower, ye flower. How to make a bouquet? We need bunch of flowers, you know, and put it properly. Then beautiful, looks beautiful, you know. Video assist came especially for advertising. Okay. We started with advertising, but Allah done a lot of advertising. Advertising in the sense, because it's not only the filmmaker, so many things are involved. Like agents are involved, clients are involved, so at least उनको पता चला भैया क्या हो रहा है. तो gradually करते then it became a part of filmmaking actually. Otherwise initially when I started black and white का, like making a Mahatma, when we shot, it was shot in black and white monitor. Okay. Abroad was there, but very handy for the continuity person writes a continuity. Yeah. उसके लिए very handy है, which is very good actually, you know. कि भैया वो उस वक्त हाँ में हाथ कहाँ था, नीचे था, ऊपर था, आगे था, where he was holding glass, what he was wearing or she was wearing, all those, for that it was very good actually, you know. Right, you cannot, lighting you cannot judge. Even today you cannot judge from the video assist. Unless you have video camera and all that. Video camera also sometimes, you know, and it's not up to the 100% right.